Hi, gulay sitaw. My hands are frozen because I didn't wear gloves to I don't know what it's called when you're using that thing to take snow off of your car. Hi, gulay sitaw. Hi. Sorry. This is new. This is really deep snow for me. This is new. So I'm gonna drive slowly and carefully. I see this why I think why I probably wouldn't be working out as much during the winter season outside. I'm gonna work out and do body pump in my basement because my hands are freezing. Do I regret moving here? Yeah, never. No, I don't. It's fun for me. It's like learning. Like I was telling the people in Pilates, I was all like, this is new for me and it's fun. Look how deep it is. And I drove to Pilates. This deep, girl, is you for real? Snow's not stopping us. And then Justin was like, let's go get some lunch. Look at us living that snow life now. Date. This is my comfort food, shrimp with lobster sauce. This is really good too. Oh, and the broccoli. These are for our doggies in the family for Hanukkah. And then the cats, they like this as their little treats. You know how cold it is? I still chose to have a cold drink. This is a matcha from Caribou with bubbles. The bubbles is not like a circle shape, but I honestly love the taste of it. You want to try it, boo? Good morning, friends. It is cold today. I don't know why. I feel, oh yeah, it's because it is colder. It's 10 degrees outside. Yesterday was 20 something. I can feel it because I turned the heater up a little bit more. Girl, let me tell you, the cost of living here is a lot less. Let me explain. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you how much we bought our house, but we bought this house more than our Bay Area house. And when we initially bought the Bay Area house. So we didn't go cheap on the house because we live here, we work here. Justin works from home here, he has an office. So we wanted to kind of splurge on our house, okay? But everything else, let me tell you, girl, our house is twice as big as the Bay Area house. The electric bill is half. Because you guys were asking about the cost of living here. Groceries, I noticed a significant difference in the prices. Going out to eat is a lot less too. We'll buy okay, I'm gonna tell you. For example, yesterday, okay? Did you see all the food that we had, all the Chinese food we had? We had a noodle dish, veggies, shrimp with lobster sauce, rice. I think that's it. In the Bay Area, that would probably cost 100 something. It was 70, and then we took 20. Girl, my nails, let me see. I do an acrylic fill. These are my real nails, but I like the acrylic fill layer, but super thin like this. $55 versus maybe 70 in the Bay Area. And don't even get me started in that bougie San Ramon one, Levy and Bar or whatever. I took my sister, splurged on her long time ago. Before I moved, my sister and I got a mani-pedi. It was the highest amount. That was 500. Yes, that was the most stupid splurge I've ever spent, because getting your nails done for what? 500 for why? I could have been done that how many million times. But I just wanted to give my sister that experience. I also did that for Susan too. It was a big deal. It was a moving thing, and Justin was really nice. We flew out my sister, thanks to Justin. We did the dang thing. But I'm just telling you, cost of living. Gas is significantly less here. What else? Yeah, that's what I can think of. Eyelash extensions when I was able to do them, but I can't because I get an allergic reaction. So I'm trying this mascara. Justin was all I know you love your eyelash extensions, but you can't do it anymore. You just get an allergic reaction. He took a picture of my eye the other day. I was like, ugh, get on my dang nerves. He's like, I'm gonna remind you every time you try, you can't be getting allergic reactions like that. And I'm like, I know, but the desperation in me, I really like getting them done. But I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna stop, I promise. What else? I'll keep telling you the differences from California versus living in Minnesota, but everyone is right. The cost of living is significantly less. We just chose to ball out on a house a little bit because, like we mentioned, it's where we live, it's where we work, so why not? I don't have to explain to anyone like why I buy or spend on what, because it's my money, boo. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. And what else? I just want to think. Haircuts. The boys' haircuts, Justin's haircuts, that too. And I told Justin, I was all like, also, a little side thought is that whenever we asked Sharon or Steve to fly out to take care of the kids, we would ask them like, oh, we don't have anyone to watch the kids. Can you please fly out and watch them? That was a big deal for them to do that, to like so much time and effort into packing, flying here, taking care of our babies. That was just so much. So we always like paid for their plane ticket if it was us asking them. Like if they just wanted to come visit, that was a whole different, they paid for their plane ticket. But we will pay if we ask for you to watch our babies. So that too, we saving money on childcare. So Justin is actually gone. He went to go meet up with a friend. I think it's his business coach and friend at the same time. His name is Daryl. Justin did this amazing podcast with him actually, because they have like the same like network and circle. And Justin did a podcast with him. It made me cry. Like if it's out yet, I will send it to you, because like Justin's like ideas and thought process of like, it just made me sad how he was worried. Like I would never ever be disappointed in him, and I never have been. But I do appreciate that I no longer have the like sole responsibility of providing for the family, because that was very heavy on me. And I talked about that many times, how it was a lot on me. And then also caring for my mom financially too, worrying about her. I thought for the rest of my life I was gonna provide for my mom, but then she passed away. Oh, winter fun. We decided to take the boys sledding after school. Just down this hill. Whoa, that's fast, Liam. So fast. Whoa.
Go, Jakey. Go, Jakey. Woohoo! You got it, you got it, you got it.
It was so much fun. We're just wearing whatever we had underneath it. Justin's walking around with his long underwear getting work done in his office. Sorry, TMI, my bad. We're doing movie night, and thank you to Auntie Tiffany. Tiffany is Susan's daughter. So she's so sweet. I love Tiffany. So she's my sister-in-law, and she gave us these wicked good cupcakes. I texted her a photo and I was like, these are good. And she's like, did you try it already? And I was like, girl, I ate one already. So that's why there's only 3. We're having movie night right now, and it's just fruits and candy. Let me show you. So we have the usual, and then the boys just asked for dino nuggets. So it's all good. You can have that. And then some popcorn later. And I got these new big ones, not plastic, because I feel like when you put it in plastic, I just realized, like, doesn't it kind of low-key melt? It never has, but just in case, you know, like, I don't like that. So I got Pottery Barn really said this looked like a pot. Doesn't it? Like, I could put a plant in there. So yeah, just some fruits and some candy, and then if they want, they can enjoy this too from Auntie Tiffany. This is so cute. Look at Sunrise. He said, that's my chair right there. Oh, my little baby. We're watching Home Alone 2. I really don't understand how they're going to do that to Kevin again. I really don't. Kevin's mom and dad, and even siblings, like, why are you guys not keeping track of your brother like that? Like, he missed a flight. Like, sorry. I just get really upset. I'm like, how did you guys leave that little boy by himself like that? I know it's just a movie, but still, like, those parents should have been checked if it wasn't a movie.